Hi, my name is Samantha Kennedy, and I am a Family and Consumer Sciences agent with the University of Florida IFAS Extension Service. And today I'm going to talk to you about different types of milk that you might see called for in different recipes. A lot of recipes, especially baking recipes, call for different kinds of milk, but they're not all created equal. So some recipes call for just regular milk that you would buy or drink using your cereal. Some call for things like half and half, or evaporated milk, or even condensed milk. So this is the most common one that you'll find, but not every recipe calls for this kind of milk. And if you don't have this, but you have this instead, this is evaporated milk, you can't really just use them interchangeably. They don't turn out the same way in recipes. So you can kind of see that the consistency of milk and half are kind of the same, but if I'm turning this cup, and I don't know how well you can see this, but it coats the half and half coats the side of the cup more than the milk does because it's thicker and it has cream in it, whereas milk doesn't. So then you have evaporated milk, and you can see that it's not quite white. That's because the milk is boiled down and is about twice the strength of regular whole milk. So it has a more intense flavor. And then condensed milk is actually pretty thick, and you can see this consistency. It's really thick because it's boiled down and then combined with sugar. And since we're going to be making a key lime pie here in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and just add this to my bowl. So you definitely wouldn't want to substitute something like sweetened condensed milk if your recipe calls for regular milk, because you'd get a completely different outcome than what you're planning. But you also wouldn't want to do it the other way around. So for a key lime pie, for instance, calls for condensed milk, you wouldn't want to try to substitute just regular milk because it would not come out the thickness that you need for a key lime pie. So when you are baking, you want to make sure that you have the right kind of milk on hand for your recipe, because you can't just take one and substitute for the other. So be very careful when you're searching for your ingredients for your recipe that you get the right kind of milk. Thank you.